Hi guys, I'm installing the mount adapter EF-EOS R 0.71 times, and I got the instruction here, and this is the mount adapter. So from RF to EF, and it comes with, of course, lens cup. So both has a cover. I got the instruction here, and that you could see that there's a lens release lever, mount index, lens side, front mount, front contact, mount index, camera side, rear mount, rear contacts, rubber ring, and lock plate. So these are the index: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is actually the bracket to lock the adapter to this camera. So let's open this one. You can see the sensor. Ooh. And I have, now let me cover this one first. I don't want to like drop this to that sensor, and I don't want to damage it. So I have this torque wrench. All right, so here is the back, and goes to this side. Where is it? Right here. Okay, let's turn it to your right. Counter clockwise. I meant clockwise. Turn it to the right. So when you hear that click, that's mean it's locked. And I have this bracket. I believe this bracket is for if you're gonna have a bigger lenses, like cinema lenses. So and it has screw or bolt screw, right? You could put it in here, and I'm gonna try to put it on in this way. And so I think it doesn't matter which side is this one, but it has a rubber to protect. It is this is very cool because this bolt is attached to this bracket, and it's locked. You can't even take it off, so you don't lose it. And reason I bought an adapter because I don't have RF lens, so I don't own any RF lens yet. I have my old Canon EF, and it's good benefits for EF lens because this adapter, they call it speed booster. It's times 0.71, so more light's coming in, and you know, when you have more light, it's good for your sensor. this crop sensor actually is a cinema. It's the same as C300 Mark III, and I believe that's what I heard. And I just found out that this camera is officially you could use in Netflix. Can you imagine? So it means if there is a project they want to do a showcase to Netflix, they could hire us. So watch out guys, if you guys looking for a filmmaker that it will give you output the same quality as Netflix quality, let us know. We could help you guys out. Oh wow, look at this, like a robot. See? And this bracket is heavy. It adds another weight, so they were saying it's good. So there you go guys, and let me try to put my EF lens. So this lens is 16-35 Mark III, and I heard that it's compatible for this speed booster and for the EOS. So I think there is a setting somewhere in menu that you could wait, hang on, it has to be red to red. There you go, spin it, that's another click. And this lens is so heavy. See, I don't have the battery, so I can't see. You know what, let me grab the battery. So I got the battery here, and let's go attach it. So this is the first time I touch it, and there's a on in here. And let's set the date. Can I do that in here? Uh-oh, there's something wrong. What's that mean? It's lock? Okay, I think I put it on lock. So I put it in on right here. That means, let's go try it out again. Set. There you go. That it's right. So it was locked, guys. I switched it to camera. And now let's go set the date. What's the date? It's May. Set, and I believe the date is 4. Is it 4 today? 2021. The time is, I would say, 8 p.m. here. 8. Okay, I want to make sure I get the right time. So I want to make this accurate. So if I get some files with the guys, with the team, the same time code. So 8:02 p.m. set. Here it goes, guys. This is it. So right now it's set up to 60 frame per second, like 59.94 frame. Wow. This is a different one, and then the file is YCC 422 10-bit. So it runs by 4K, and I'm not too sure which file I'm gonna use yet, because it depends how much memory card you have, or how you're gonna use it. Is it for B-roll, for interview? So it all depends which file you're gonna use. There's a 10-bit and there's a 8-bit, 4K, 1080p, and you could 4K 420 frame per seconds, and there's a 2K, you could do it 180 frame per seconds. That's super slow motion. That's a pretty good speed for this kind of camera. So, and last thing is, just want to mention about, I got surprised with the texture. It's kind of rough in here, and I thought it was like kind of smooth. I was surprised. And I got the handle here. You know what, might as well just let's put this on. I got this handle. Okay, let's see how it's gonna look if I put this handle. Okay. This is like the first one. I guess. And go scare. Mr. Open. Get up, hold. Right. Screw. One more look for the adapter. Okay, so that's adapter EF-EOS R 0.71 times. Once again, this is Goody of GC Lifestyle. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, GC Lifestyle.